Dear Tim and Moby, I need to figure out my acceleration on a skateboard. From Kathy. Good thing Moby just dug mine out of the basement. Speed tells you how fast you're going, and it's measured in units of distance per unit of time, like meters per second or kilometers per hour. But sometimes you have to speed up, slow down, or turn around. Acceleration is the rate at which motion changes. Acceleration is measured in speed per second, like meters per second per second. That's meters per second squared. If you're speeding up, acceleration is a positive number, like 5 meters per second per second. If you're slowing down, it'll be a negative number, like negative 5 meters per second per second. Right now, Moby isn't moving. His speed and acceleration are 0. Ready, set, go! Acceleration in the direction of motion speeds you up. By the time Moby gets near the bottom of the ramp, he's going way faster than he was at the top. Hitting the brakes causes a quick acceleration against Moby's forward motion. That board wants to keep moving along, but negative acceleration of braking works against the board's forward momentum. And the angle of that ramp plays a part in acceleration too. The steeper the ramp, the faster you'll speed up, and the greater your acceleration will be. Time to do a little math. When the direction of motion does not change, and it follows a straight line like Moby did, we can calculate acceleration using this formula. Acceleration equals change in speed over time. To figure out Moby's acceleration, we need to know two things: the time it took him to get down the hill, and his change in speed, the difference between initial speed and final speed. We already know that it took Moby 2 seconds to get down the ramp, so let's plug that in for time. When Moby started, he was at rest, so his initial speed was 0 meters per second. Final speed is a little bit tricky. Let's go to a replay. Looks like he got up to 10 meters per second. So, we've got 10 meters per second minus 0 meters per second equals 10 meters per second divided by 2. That's an acceleration of 5 meters per second squared. With Moby's acceleration pinned down, we can figure out all sorts of cool things like how far he would travel in 5 seconds, and even his exact speed at 10 seconds if he had a longer ramp to skate down. Uh-oh. Stop that robot!